Yeah, hi everybody. So my topic for today, especially for the college passed out graduates, so who are planning a career in IT without any clue about IT. Okay, so this is a very unfortunate thing. A lot of professionals are planning to get into an IT domain, but then they don't know what an IT is. Okay, so I'm speaking this topic because recently this is my recent experience, not just with one or two people, but with many other people, many people whom I have spoken to, okay, whom I have interviewed in the recent times. So this is really a very sad thing that even the colleges or our education system is least bothered in helping out or help them to understand what an IT is. They're all focused on syllabus, syllabus that so and so domain, so and so stream has this many subjects, and we have to explain the subjects. Or maybe the other unfortunate thing is colleges are just focused about the placements. Okay, so the Indian IT sector has resource crunch, and the companies are just hiring the graduates. Graduates. There is no other option. There is no other option left for companies. They have to recruit everybody. They have to train them. Okay, but everything is fine. That's not a big deal. That's how it has to be. So companies have to recruit and have to train them. But in between, it will be very fair if the graduates can understand what an IT is, so that they can make best choice in picking the right domain for themselves, or they build their careers in the right direction. Okay, see, in the recent times, one of the interview candidate, I interviewed a candidate, and her question was, is digital marketing an IT career? Okay, so for a moment I was stunned. I was wondering, like, she being an engineering graduate, she doesn't know what an IT is. Okay, and that's what motivated me to speak about IT careers, and also explain this digital marketing and IT career. Okay, so I'm assuming that this discussion is going to help a lot of graduates to make the right choice, and also to answer the people who is questioning, is digital marketing a IT career. Okay, so let me quickly start explaining you what an IT is. See, IT is an abbreviation of information technology. Okay, the spelled out version of IT is information technology. Okay, so information technology is nothing but use of computers, storage, networking, the physical devices, the physical equipment or devices, and the infrastructure and the process in order to create, store, secure, and transmit the data. Okay, so this is called as an IT. So all of this put together is called as an IT. And even if you are working in one of this, maybe in the networking, you are still called as an IT professional. Okay, so if you are creating a digital form of data, okay, electronic format, any format of electronic data, so you are an IT professional. Okay, so if you are working in networking, internet, you are called as an IT professional. Okay, so you are called a non IT professional when you don't deal with any of these things. Okay, otherwise you will be called an IT professional. Okay, so maybe few people's so your question has to be reframed: is digital marketing same as software engineering? Okay, so in that case, digital marketing is not software engineering. Okay, maybe we can discuss this topic separately or at the end of this video. But if your question is digital marketing an IT career? Yes, definitely digital marketing is an IT career, because digital marketing deals with usage of computers, internet, the storage, the gadgets, or equipment or devices, infrastructure and the process in creation of data, storage, secure, and transmit, right? So and hence digital marketing is an IT career. Okay, so if your question is so if you the next question could be how good is the digital marketing career. Okay, so now I hope it's clear. So digital marketing is an IT career. Okay, so it's not just see, digital marketing is an IT career, graphic designing is an IT career, web designing is an IT career, software developer is an IT career. Okay, so somebody working in networking is an IT career. Okay, storage, dealing with storage of data or transmitting of data using the all this the infrastructure, process and gadgets. So all this is an IT career. Okay, so software engineering is a subset of IT career. All software engineers are IT professionals, but not all IT professionals are software engineers. Okay, I hope it's clear. Not all software engineers, sorry, not all IT professionals are software engineers. Software engineers are the people who work on designing, developing and maintaining a software or a tool. Okay, so managing, developing, designing the software application or a tool are the software developers. Okay, so if you are designing and developing an application, or if you are working in one of these of all these processes, so you will be called as a software engineer. Okay, so coming back to digital marketing. Okay, so digital marketing IT career is a good choice for engineering graduates, BCA graduates. Yes, so digital marketing is as good as any other IT career. In fact, much better than various other IT careers, because digital marketing has talent crunch. Okay, so because of lack of awareness, a lot of right talent is not opting for digital marketing. They're just behind the trend, behind the buzz, I don't say it as a buzz. They're just behind of what they are aware of. Okay, so if they are aware of Python, everybody are behind Python. If they are aware of Java, so apart from Java, Python or maybe testing, so they have no clue about digital marketing. Okay, so there is no much information about digital marketing for people. Okay, so probably this should be this information has to be provided at the colleges. Okay, so because people are assuming becoming a software developer is the only IT career. Okay, so and unfortunately, of total IT professionals in the market, the software engineers comprise just 5 to 10 percentage, not beyond that. And 80 to 90% of the people are working in various IT domains. Okay, it's just you name the company, so it be TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, you take any other company, so not everybody are software developers. Okay, so maybe I would say, so these people must be dealing with maintenance of the tools. Okay, and of course they will be called as software developers, but then they are not into code development. Okay, so code development, designing and developing on of application is a code development, and they will be considered to be as a software professionals. And maintaining of these applications can be done by anybody, right? Right. So yeah, coming to salary parts. So digital marketing is one of the best paying career for graduates. So they can go and opt for this career. Okay, just that they have to find the right platform to learn the skill. Okay, and they'll be very much valued in the market. Okay, so digital marketing is an umbrella term for various other channels marketing, digital marketing technologies. Okay, so digital marketing tools. So digital marketing is mostly usage of tools and techniques and the knowledge to promote the product or service or a business. Okay, so there should not be a marketing term used, it's supposed to be something else. Okay, and because I'm suggesting this, because marketing term is misleading the graduates. They are assuming, so just by the term digital marketing, the marketing term in this, they are making a wrong opinions about it. It should be door to door marketing, or offline sales or something else. Okay, so digital marketing is an IT career where you will be using computers, tools, software, technology. So you need to have understanding of all of this, and you will be using all of this to promote a business. Okay, you are one of the stage in a process of marketing. Okay, so you plus graphic designing or web designing, web developers, so all are working towards marketing a product, building to build the presence for the product. And you cannot call a graphic designer as a digital marketer, or maybe a web developer as a digital marketer. Okay, just because they all fall into this cycle of helping or building the visibility for the business or the product on the internet, right? So same is the case. So digital marketers stand at the front, and hence, so the marketing at all, it's been attributed to this particular role. They are being called as marketers. Okay, so you can treat this as an extension of designing and development and optimization of the applications or the softwares, or using the softwares or applications to transmit any form, to transmit the electronic data in any of the form, right? So digital marketing is working towards storage, securing and transmission of electronic format of the data in electronic format, right? So digital marketing is not an offline marketing. You are not going to sell a product or a service. Okay, so your responsibility is to use the technology to sell. Okay, and that's why you will become an IT professional. Okay, so if you still have any doubts regarding this, you can get back to me. I'll help you to understand better on this. Okay, so I hope this has helped a lot of graduates and also digital marketing professionals to understand, is digital marketing an IT career or not. Definitely it's an IT career. Okay, yeah, this must have helped everybody. Thanks for watching this video. See you, bye.